This is gonna turn into a mukbang video, sir. I am sick again, but I need to eat something that will freshen me up. I want something spicy, I want something sour, I want something refreshing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who in the right mind will cook when they're sick? Let me tell you something. When you're sick, right, is the time when you should cook the most. Because your body needs the nutrients, needs the right things to recover. So today we're gonna make Sambal Stingray. Why? Because I am craving for it. Why stingray for this ikan bakar? The way that these stingray fins are structured, when you use your chopsticks to peel off the flesh, and it's all in one line and already like the chili oil is already flowing down. It's happy days lah. So we cover this in a bit of salt. Essentially, we're just doing a really quick cure. We're gonna leave that aside for about 10 minutes and I wanna talk to you guys about sambal and the toppings that we're gonna use. Traditionally, we have cut red onions that is sprinkled on top. And then they also like put on like some calamansi juice. So I thought, why not? Since I have a bit of calamansi juice over here, I'm just gonna do a quick pickle and see how this goes. The thing about staying in a country like Singapore is that we have access to a lot of great produce, like store-bought sambal. Like you would usually imagine store-bought sambal to be like not so great, but I happen to like chance upon a few that I think are pretty good, and I think you should try them too. Let's hope it's not too spicy. Now we're gonna wrap this up. All right. This feels tight. Like a baby. Obviously, the sambal stingray goes on the grill. We're trying to hack the recipe a little bit. We're gonna use the air fryer today. Screaming. I'm ready. I'm ready. Whoa. Oh. Wow. With the pickled onion, it just feels very fresh, you know? And honestly, for like a easy 20-minute meal like that, this is great. It's definitely no substitute for the real thing. Our hawker aunties and uncles grilling this on the spot over charcoal at the hawker center. But for something that you just want a quick fix, this is great.